Hey everyone! Welcome back to Search Hive. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of psychology and sharing 5 easy psychological tricks you can play on someone. These tricks are simple, fun, and harmless, so let's get started. Trick number 1 is called the stare. When you're in a conversation with someone, try staring at their forehead instead of making eye contact. This will make them feel slightly uncomfortable, and they might even start to question if there's something on their face. Remember, don't overdo it, just a subtle shift in your gaze will do the trick. Our second trick is called the mirror. This is a classic technique used in building rapport. When you're talking to someone, subtly mimic their body language, gestures, and facial expressions. This will make them feel more connected to you, and they'll be more likely to agree with what you're saying. Trick number 3 is the name game. People love hearing their own name, so try using it more often in conversations. This will make them feel important and valued, and they'll be more likely to remember you and your conversation. Our fourth trick is called the foot in the door. This technique involves asking someone for a small favor first, and then following up with a larger request. People are more likely to agree to the bigger favor if they've already committed to helping you with something small. Last but not least, we have the flattery effect. Compliment someone genuinely, and they'll be more likely to see you in a positive light. This can help you build rapport and make them more receptive to your ideas or requests. And there you have it. 5 easy psychological tricks you can play on someone today. Remember, use these tricks responsibly and for good intentions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.